One day, just like that, we close our eyes for the last time. No do-overs, no second chances, nothing. Now imagine knowing that moment was near, with only a few minutes left. Would you be happy knowing you spent years in a job you hated, or that you stayed in an environment that drained you, or that you skipped that trip because saving money seemed more sensible? Would you be proud that you avoided telling someone how you truly felt, or that you ignored calls from loved ones, that you let fear keep you from chasing your dreams? Life gives us one shot, but we act like it's endless. The odds of death are certain, yet we still hesitate. Quit the job, book the flight, tell them how you feel, chase your dream with all you have. Start living, because life itself is a miracle.